The red and white pup and the red mentor. In a world of grass and sunbeams clear, a little puppy with joy skips here and near. With a coat of red and white, a mix of soft hues fine, he is a bundle of hope, a wonder so divine. But look, 2 ears, like rubies of crimson red, stand up against the heavens, where lessons are bred. They twitch and fold when noises are new and strange, a tiny signal across a playful range. And the eyes, they are of darkest brown, 2 eager windows staring up and down. They tell true tales of wonder, wide and bright, little hearts seeking knowledge and light. But he's not alone, for always by his side, a cheerful, loyal mentor takes the stride. A red dog, grown and wise, a blur of fiery hue, he shows the pup the world, faithful and true, by the winding stream, where the water flows and gleams. They share a quiet joy, caught up in happy dreams. No wild, deep splashing, but a gentle game they choose, where the flowing water wets their paws and leaves small clues. The pup's small paws, white and newly clean, dip in the cool rush, a fresh and lively scene. The older dog shows him where the bank is safe and sound, where pebbles roll and secrets in the depths are found. He is a part of the family as the moments fly by. The red ears twitch as he sweetly dreams of all the roads ahead and the sun's warm beams. The brown eyes rest, for tomorrow holds the key to a bright future together, full of adventure and glee.